Dear students, today we will discuss about the Python operators. Right now, first of all, what is an operator? In any programming language, an operator is a symbol or a keyword which will performs the specific operations on one or more operands and produce the result. So what sort of operation that this operator can do is, it might be a arithmetic operation, or it might be a comparison operation, or bitwise operation, or some logical operation. Now what are the different types of operators are supported by Python? We will see one by one. First, Python supports the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, floor division. Now, let us see these things practically by open the IDLE environment. So let me open the IDLE environment. Now, let us see this arithmetic operations in Python. Right. Now we will see the arithmetic operations. Let us say a equal to 4, b equal to 5, then print a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a divide b, a divides b, a modulus b, right, and a exponentiation b. See, so using this you can perform the arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations: plus, minus, star, division, floor division, modulus, a double star b. So in which you have to mainly understand what is the division and the floor division. Now division means, see, the general division which is going to give a floating point value, whereas if you go for floating point division, it will give the integer value. It will give the integer value. Similarly, you can go for exponentiation. The double star is used for the what? Exponentiation. So these are the what? Arithmetic operators in the Python. Arithmetic operators in the Python. Now let us see the next one. The next operators are the what means comparison operators. The comparison operators we have is double equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Now let us check it. Now we will open the IDLE. Yes, there we will do the comparisons. Now the comparisons, let us see. Print 2 greater than 3, 2 less than 3, 2 double equal to 3, 2 less than or equal to 3, like that you can use. So always it will return the what, the boolean value true or false. Now none greater than 2. So I'm comparing the what, none greater than 2. We have to understand this greater than operator is not supported on the none. Now none double equal to none. So none double equal to none is what, true. Now none less than or equal to 2. So if you're trying to compare the none value with the other sort of data types, it is throwing the error. Now none greater than none. So none greater than none is also not supported. The only thing we can see here is none double equal to none. So none double equal to none means what? True, right? Now you can also check none less than or equal to none, right? Similarly, we have discussed the arithmetic operations, right? Print 1 plus none. See, this is also not supported. You cannot perform the addition. You cannot perform the addition. Now print 1 plus true. 1 plus true. So 1 plus true is what here? True will be internally taken as a what? 1. 1 plus true equal to what? 2. 1 plus true equal to what? True. Is it clear? So this is what the comparison operators. Remember, the comparison operators will evaluate the expression and then it will give, if the condition is true, it will return the true, otherwise it will return the what? Otherwise it will return the what? False. Otherwise it will return the what? False. So let us see the next operator. The next operator is a logical operator. I already told you an operator is a symbol or a keyword. Now here logical operator is not, it is not a symbol, rather than it is a what? Keyword. And or not. So this and or used to write the compound conditions. When you want to reverse the result, you can use the not. You can use the not. Let us check it at the prompt level. So 2 less than 3 and 1 double equal to 3. So 2 less than 3 is what? True. But 1 double equal to 3 is what? False. So in case of AND gate, if one of the expression is false, the complete expression is what? False only. The complete expression is what? False. Now 1 and 3. So 1 and 3, see, the moment I have written 1 and 3, what has been written? The 3 has been given. 3 has been given. 1 and 3. When I gave 1 and 3, what it is gave? 3. Print 1 or 3. So when I gave 1 or 3, what it give? 1. What it give? 1. Print 1 and minus 2. 1 and minus 2, what it gave? It gave the second one. It gave the what? Second one. Now print not 5. So not 5. So not 5, what is happened? So it is checking whether it is 5 is it is checking the condition, then it is giving the what? False. Then it is giving the what? False. Right? Now print not none. Print not none. See, it has given true. Print not none, it has given true. Similarly, print not false, it will give ulta true. Print not 1, so then it is giving the what? False. The false. Using this and or not, you can have the what? Logical conditions in your program. Logical conditions in your program. Now let us see the next operators. The next operators is logical is over, right? Now we have the what? Assignment operators. So you can also call it as what? Assignment operator is only equal, and the rest of all you can call it as what? Shortcut operators. Shortcut operators. Generally we will write x equal to x plus 5 instead of x equal to x plus 5. With the help of the shortcut operator, what we can do is we can write x plus equal to 5. Similarly, when we are having the x equal to x minus 3, we can use the shortcut operator x minus equal to 3. So whatever the shortcut operators are there, this is also applicable for the shift operators also. This is also applicable for the what? Shift operators also. So we will see this assignment operators. Now 2 plus equal to 3. So what we got? We got illegal expression. Okay, now a equal to 2, then I have written a plus equal to 3, then I will print the a 5. Now then the same thing you can do, print a plus equal to 6. A plus equal to what? 6. This is what here not happening. You have to write it as a separate statement, and then you have to print it, and then you have to print it. And another thing you have to observe is what? 2 double star equal to 3. See, this thing is not possible here. You have to work with the variables only. You should not work with the what? Constants. You should not work with the what? Constants. Similarly, a equal to none, then I have written a plus equal to none. So I am adding the none plus none. What is happen? You cannot perform this operation on the none type. This operation on the none type. Now a equal to 8. Now I will perform the shift operation. Left shift equal to 2. Then after I am printing the a. So what it is printing? 32 is printing. Similarly, you can perform the what? Right shift operation. Yeah, sorry. A, then print a, then it is what? 4. So in case of left shift operation, the value will be increased. In case of right shift operation, the value will be decreased. Now a equal to 8, how many positions you have shifted? 2 positions you have shifted. Then the left shift value is a into 2 power n. N is the number of positions you want to shift. Similarly, in case of right shift, the value will be decreased. So a by 2 power n. N is the what? Number of positions you want to shift. Now in case of first one, a equal to 8. 8 by 2 power 8 into 2 power 2 is what? 32. Now what you want to do? You want to perform the right shift operation for the 3 positions. Then what is the formula? A by 2 power n. A is what now? 32. So 32 by 2 power 3. So 32 by 8, that means what? 4. That means what? 4. So this is what? The shift operations. Now let us see the next operator supported by this one. Now the next operator is supported is what? Bitwise and bitwise OR and bitwise XOR and binary NOT and left shift right shift. Just now we have discussed. Now let us see it practically. A equal to 4. So 4 means what? 4 means 0 1 0. Then b equal to, let us say, 2. 2 means in 4 bit representation 0 0 1 0. Now let us print a bitwise and b. So a bitwise and b. So where this end operation is performed on the what? The bits, the respective bits. Similarly, you can perform the what? The OR operation. So the OR operation, what we got? 6. Similarly, you can perform the what? XOR operation. So the XOR operation also you can see. Similarly you can go for the what, negation. So if you want to use the negation, you have to use the tilde symbol. So this is what the negation of a, right? Similarly if you want to perform the shift operation, yes, you can do the shift operation also. A left, left shift 2. If I do the left shift, the value will be increased. Similarly you can perform the what, right shift operation. So when you are performing the right shift operation, you got the what, 1. So this is what the bitwise operators, bitwise operators. Now let us see the next one. The important one is the what, membership operators, which is going to operate on the collections. Now the membership operators are what, in, not in and not in. Let us see the examples for it. Now let us assume that there is a collection data type with the values 1 2 3. A equal to 1 2 3. Now I want to check whether the 1 is exist in A or not. Then print 1 in A. Print 1 in A. What is happen? 1 is already available in the A, that's why it written the true. Now print none in A. None is not available in the A, right? That's why it has written the what, false. That's why it written the what, false. Print 3 not in A. We are telling that 3 is not in A. No, 3 is already in the A, that's why we got the what, false. So these are the what, membership operators. Especially these are operated on the what, collection data types. Especially these are operated on the what, collection data types. So the next operators are what, means identity operators. So this will refer whether the two different variables are pointing to the same object or the different objects. Now the identity operator keyword is what, is or is not, which is used to compare the two objects. Let us see it practically. Let us assume that there is a variable a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. Let me print those locations of a and b using the id function. Yeah, so these are the locations of the a and b. Now print a is b. No, both are the different locations, that is what, false. Now what I will do is I will take one more variable c. C equal to, I'm making it as a b. Now let me check the locations of the both b and c. B and c. So if I verify the B and C both are having the same locations, so that means both are pointing by same object. Now if you use B is C, true. Ulta is also same. C is B, right. Now if you write A is not B, yes, it is true. So this is what the identity operators. If the both the variables are pointing to the same location, it will return the true. If the both the variables are pointing to the different location, then it is what, false. Then it is what, false. So this is what identity operators. Then the next is uh, we can see the conditional operators in Python. A equal to, a equal to, yeah, first see the syntax. What is the syntax of the condition? Variable value if true, if condition, else value false. So now let us see practically. Now a equal to, a equal to positive if 2 greater than 0, else else negative. So now let us see what is holding by a, right? This is what the conditional operator. Now we will see the one more example. A equal to even if 4 mod 2 equal to 0, else odd, else odd. Now print the a. Now print the a. So this is what, even. This is what, even. So this is what is about the conditional operator in Python, conditional operator in Python. So far what we have discussed the different types of operators supported by Python. Now we will see how exactly the operator precedency will work in Python. So first we will see how exactly this precedency is there in case of Python operator precedency. Now see, now the firstmost position is occupied by what? Grouping. Now when more than one grouping is available, then associativity is comes into the picture. Remember, when an expression is contains the parenthesis more than once, not only parenthesis, any same operator is contains more than once, then this associativity is comes into the picture, which will decide whether to start the execution left to right or right to left. Now if you see the grouping operator, the grouping operator associativity is left to right. So let us see the next one, which is occupied the second position, that is what? Exponentiation operator. Generally it will come right to left. Then after we have the unary plus unary minus and bitwise not. These operators are occupied the third position, and the associativity of the these operators are what? Right to left, right to left. Then after the arithmetic operations, in the arithmetic operations, compared to the addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus will have an edge, and its associativity is left to right. Then after the position is occupied by the addition and subtraction. Then after the shift operators, the shift operators will be executed left to right. Then after we will have the bitwise and bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, then comparison operators, then logical operators, then conditional expressions, then assignment operator. At the last position is what? Lambda expressions, lambda expressions. Now see the example. There is a one Python expression, result equal to 2 plus 3 into 2, then exponentiation 2. Clearly we understood that there are the three different operators here. One is the plus, the another is the multiplication, the third is the double star. Now as far as the precedent table is concerned, which is having the highest priority? Double star is the highest priority, then after star, then after plus. So then first 2 double star 2 will be executed, then 2 double stars 2 is a what? Exponentiation operator. It will return the 4. Then after, what is the expression we got? 2 plus 3 into 4, 2 plus 3 into 4. Now the two operators are there, one is the plus, the another is the star. So plus and star, in which star is having the highest priority, then 3 into 4 will be evaluated 12, then 2 plus 12. So 2 plus 12, only one operator is there, 2 plus 12, 14 will be printed. So this is how your expression will be evaluated using precedency table or the priority table. Let us take the one more example. There is a expression 10 plus 5 left shift 2. Now compared to left shift, plus is having the low priority. So first left shift will be executed, then plus will be executed. First 5 left shift 2 means it is a left shift operation, right? A into 2 power n. Now n is the what here? 2. So 5 into 2 power 2, 5 4 ja 20. So 10 plus 20, now what is there? 30. So this is how this expression will be executed. Now let us see the one more. Now here what is there? We have the comparison operators and the assignment comparison operators only. Now in the comparison operators, if you see less than, greater than, double equal, then it will starts from the what? Left. First a less than b will be executed, then a greater than b greater than c will be executed, then then see what will be evaluated, that uh, logical end will be evaluated, then after a double equal to c will be executed, at the last the r will be executed, at the last what we got? True. At the last what we got? True. Now, similarly, if you see this expression there, we are having the grouping operation. First, the grouping will be executed. So the 10 plus 2 will give the what? 12. Then after the star and division. So when both are present, we will go for the what? Left to right. Then 12 into 3 will be executed. Then 4 by 2 will be executed. Then at the last minus will